This is going to be part of my meal plan. It's 12 of them. 3, 6, 9, 12.
What is important to you?
You would literally think I had a family of